Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, ministerial interference, the result and insult to Jamaicans, highlights in the long-awaited OCG report into the sale of UDC lands in Ocho Rios.
The minister interfering, Daryl, the insult, the sale of a property for very little consideration or value in what is being called the Rooms report.
Now, the opposition has been hinting at the outcome for weeks. Just Friday, opposition senators asked for the report to be tabled by this Friday.
Now, as it comes to the man at the center of the brouhaha, he is defending his action, saying the deal was in the interest of Jamaica.
TVJ's Herman Green has more in this Primetime News report.
The report from the former Contractor General, Dirk Harrison, on the sale of the Urban Development Corporation property Rooms on the Beach in Ocho Rios to Puerto Caribe Properties Limited raised jarring questions. For weeks, the opposition has been calling for the report, along with a response from the Integrity Commission, to be tabled in Parliament, and on Tuesday, it was. Among other things, the former OCG stated that the sale of the property, valued at $12.6 million for $7.2 million was not value for money, and according to the OCG, it was an insult to the Jamaican people. The report also suggested that Daryl interfered in the transaction, preventing the UDC from negotiating freely with Puerto Caribe Properties Limited. However, in a statement Tuesday, Mr. Vaz rejected the former OCG's comments, describing it as false, disingenuous, and without basis. According to Mr. Vaz, the OCG's report did not provide any substantive basis for the claim, and equating a report offered by the minister to assist if issues arose with the UDC being unable to negotiate freely is a loose, unfortunate, and baseless conclusion. As for the sale figure, Mr. Vaz said he was advised by the UDC and agrees that the country stood to quickly gain value for money along with additional lasting benefits from the deal which was signed. He said the potential revenues and other gains projected for the government over a reasonably short period of time far exceeded the incentive the UDC provided to the investor. This includes the creation of thousands of jobs while securing the long-talked-about upgrade and redevelopment of sections of Ocho Rios. Mr. Vaz's statement also expressed concerns about the future of the investment in light of what he described as the unreasonable and naive conclusions arrived at by the former Contractor General and the politicking by a representative of the opposition.